Slow. My name is Wێندی Green, and I'm the new U.S. Consul General in the Iraqi Kurdistan region. I'm originally from Texas, but I grew up around the world, and now my cattle ranch in northern Arkansas is home. I look forward to visiting all the areas of the Kurdistan region, meeting the people, and learning about your rich history. Throughout my almost 25-year diplomatic career, my family and I have had the privilege of living around the world and across the United States. I'm proud of my work on security and peace building in conflict and post-conflict environments, commercial and development, building bridges and trust with the United States that brings prosperity to both countries, as well as innovative approaches to enhancing voices of our communities. I look forward to spending the next 2 years in the Kurdistan region, working to further build the U.S.-Kurdish partnership. I'm eager to partner with you to deepen our security, economic, educational, and cultural ties. Together, we can help strengthen the Kurdistan region for the benefit of both our people. As part of that effort, I look forward to opening the new U.S. Consulate General here in Erbil. And as you can see behind me, we are really close to completion. The new consulate is not just a building, but a testament to the strength of our partnership and the importance of the United States relationship with the Kurdistan region. Tata ki hoş.